Hi everyone, welcome to DMR tutorials. In the previous capsules, we have discussed how to solve a linear equation in two variables simultaneously. If directly they have given the linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we have different methods to solve. If the given equations are not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 directly, then we have to reduce the given equation into the standard form, then we have to solve it. Now let us have one or two examples related to the same. That means directly the equations are not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have to reduce the given equation into that form, then we have to go for solving the linear equations. Let us see one example. For example, 1 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 5 and 1 by x plus 1 by 5 is equal to 3. These two are not directly in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The variables are there in the denominator. So here first of all, what you do is 1 by x, everywhere the variables are there in the denominator. So first of all, let us take 1 by x is equal to u. You can give any symbol. And 1 by y is equal to v. Let us substitute these two in the first and second equations. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. These two substitutions you take all here. So you will get here 1 by x is equal to u. So u plus 1 by y is equal to v. Here 2 by y is there. You will get 2v is equal to 5. And that one 1 by x is u. 1 by y is v is equal to 3. So now this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, like that. To solve these two, to get the values of u and v, you can adopt any method. We have 4 methods. Elimination by substitution, like that we have discussed already 4 methods, cross multiplication, etc. You can use any one method to solve these two. So this is the equation number 1, 2. I am taking 1 minus 2. Equation minus 1 minus equation 2. So u plus 2v is equal to 5 and u plus v is equal to 3. On subtraction, symbols for the second will change. U minus u cancels. 2v minus 3 is v. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we got v is equal to 2. But from this, let us substitute this in second equation. U plus v is equal to 3. U plus v means 2 is equal to 3. U is equal to 3 minus 2 and then u is equal to 1. So v is equal to 2, u is equal to 1. But u is equal to 1 by x. This implies u. U is 1, no? 1 is equal to 1 by x. This implies x is equal to 1. By taking graph x into 1 is x is equal to 1. Second is 1 by y is equal to v. 1 by y is equal to v. V is nothing but 2. This implies y is equal to 1 by 2. So we got x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the way to reduce the given linear equation into standard form and then solving by using any one of the 4 methods. So this is one example for this. Let us take another example also. Now let us solve these two linear equations, two variables. Strictly speaking, x and y are the two variables, but the two equations are not in the standard form. So what we need to do is convert these two into the standard form and then proceed to the solving the two linear equations using any one of the 4 methods that what already we have discussed. Let us see how to convert this into the standard form. Here denominator x plus y, here also denominator x plus y. Here the denominator is x minus y, here the denominator is x minus y. So let 1 by x plus y is equal to u and 1 by x minus y is equal to v. Not only u, v, you can take a, b, any symbol. Substitute these two values here. So 44 by x minus y. 1 by x plus y is nothing but u. So it is 44 u plus 30 v is equal to 10. And here 55 u plus 40 v is equal to 13. Now we have to solve these two equations. First of all, this you can take 2 as common factor. So 2 22s, 2 15s and 2 5s are 10. So this can be written as 22 u plus 15v is equal to 5. Now this take as equation number 1, this you take as equation number 2. Or already 1, 2 you have taken, so you take 3 and 4. Now how to solve these two? This you can write as 55u plus 40v minus 13 is equal to 0 and 22u plus 15v minus 5 is equal to 0. You can use cross multiplication method, u, v and 1. Quotients of v 40, 15, 40, 15, minus 13, minus 5, minus 13, minus 5, 55, 22, 55, 22 and finally 40, 15. Now go for the cross multiplication. U by minus 5 into 40, 5 4s are 20 is minus 200. Here minus is there, minus of minus plus you will get 13 into 15, 195 is equal to v by 13 into 22. Minus 286, 22 3s are 66, 21s are 22 plus 6 is 28, correct. And minus of minus plus 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 plus 3 is 27 is equal to 1 by 15 paisa 75, 15 paisa 75, 15 75 plus 7 minus 40 into 22, 880. So see the multiplication once again. Now it is u by 195 minus 200, it is minus 5, is equal to v by minus 275 186. 286, the difference is 11 is equal to 1 by minus 55. So this is u is equal to minus 5 by minus 55 and v is equal to minus 11 by minus 55. Minus minus cancels plus u is equal to 1 by 11 and v is equal to 1 by 5. So this is the first part. So you got the u and the v values. Now substitute the value of u here, substitute the v value in this place. That means u is 1 by 11. So x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. X minus y is equal to 5 you will get. Let's see this once again. Let's substitute here. 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. This implies x plus y is equal to 11. 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by 5. This implies x minus 5 y is equal to 5. Minus y plus y cancels. 2x is equal to 16. Then x is equal to 8. When x is equal to 8, y will be 3 because 8 plus 3 is 11. So this is the final answer. So bit lengthy process but very easy. First is reducing into standard form, get the values of u and v and go for the resubstitution, you will get the final answer. That's it for this capsule. Thank you.